Hello, today guys, my name is Carla and I have got some slides. You can play with them, you can buy them. Just comment down below and then just come and see if you want any, and then yeah, I'll meet you. So yeah, so I've only got my blue one a second because the rest are downstairs. But you can buy this one, a gold, like a blue golden colour one, a pink one, and you can buy some squishies. I have got only two a second because what was I saying? Yeah, I got you can buy a chocolate muffin one, or you can buy a tough one. And I have got a stress ball you can buy. Just comment down below and tell me which one would you like. I could tell you how to make it.